Hi. Today I want to tell you how to use the moon cycles in order to manifest your desires. You see, the moon affects our energy. This is why a lot of the times you'll notice people are kind of crazy on a full moon. When you go outside, there's a lot more car accidents, there's a lot more drunk people and strangers coming up to you and all this stuff, because the moon affects our energies. Just as the moon affects the tides of our oceans. So each moon phase has a different energy, and it affects the way that we act, the way that we think, the way that we feel. And some of the moon phases are going to be more energetic, more creative than others. So we must make sure that we take advantage of them to manifest. So let's start with the waxing moon. The waxing moon is a time for change. It's a time for cleansing. It's a time for meditation. So during these weeks, you must release what no longer serves you. You must look at your life and look at your attitude, your perspectives, and say, you know what? This don't serve me anymore. I want to live differently. I want to think differently. I want to be different. And so this is the perfect time during a waxing moon to go inwards, to give yourself some time to reflect. Connect with your inner being, connect with your intuition, connect with the real you. This is the perfect time for that. Now the new moon is a period of beginnings, new beginnings. This moon is the start of a new cycle, a new journey. So with that being said, it is the perfect moment to plant the idea, to plant the seed of your intentions, of your desires. So this is a time to think about, write down what you want. Write down how you want to be, who you want to be, how you want to feel, how you want to act, how do you want to see life? What do you want in your life? This is the time for setting intentions on what will come next. So during this new moon, you must be clear on your intentions. Meditate on what you are trying to manifest and visualize your desired outcome. Now the crescent moon. The crescent moon is about taking action. It's about taking action on that seed that you just planted in the ground. This is the time to make your manifestation grow. Take whatever action that you need in order to materialize that desire into your life. This is the perfect time to go buy that ticket. This is the perfect time to go work out. This is the perfect time to start that business. This is the perfect time to ask for that promotion. Ask that person out. This is the time for action during the crescent moon. So whenever there's a crescent moon, take action. So you can also use this for practicing your manifestation structures or techniques, or you can use this time to use your affirmations, your positive affirmations. So next, which is very relevant because today is a full moon, and the full moon occurs when the moon is on the opposite side of the sun. It's a time for harvesting. It's a time for reaping what we sow. This is a time where manifestations will happen. This is a time of a lot of energy, a lot of movement. And this is also a time on reflecting on how far we came, about feeling full. It's also a perfect time to practice gratitude. And when you practice gratitude during a full moon, the energy is amplified. And you'll start to find opportunities or receive gifts from the universe. So a full moon is a time about manifestation, reaping what you sow. But it's also about, reflecting, seeing how far you've come, looking back and saying, wow, I did it. I made it. And so this is how you can use the moon cycles in order to manifest what you want. Of course, you can manifest what you want anyway. You don't need to listen to the moon cycles or anything. But it's kind of like a supplement. It's kind of like if you were flying a plane, You can technically fly a plane through the rain. You can technically fly a plane through the snow. But wouldn't you rather fly that plane on a nice sunny day? And so that's why it's important to, if you want, use the moon cycles in order to manifest what you want. So comment down below what you guys think about that. Do you guys use the moon cycles? And comment down below exactly what you guys are thinking. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you tomorrow.